Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have got here something sent to me from Vevor. It is a camping table. Should come in good with the RV and RV camping, or even the Jeep Gladiator camping. We're going to open the box here. It'll be a pretty short video because there's really not any assembly hardly. So now, for a disclaimer, Vevor sent me this to review. They're not paying me nothing for it, so I don't make a dime off of it. I will post a link in the description where you can check these out. So we're going to open this up. Should be fairly simple. User manual. So it is actually wrapped in plastic. Okay, set this down here on the ground. So it is a folding table. It's got two little latches here and here. And it's got a couple handles here too, so when you do have it folded, that you can actually carry it around. Take out these pieces and this piece. After you fold it out, it's got some locks right here on the side to keep it in the folded out position. And then of course we have the legs. Lock them into position. All four locks. Right there, it's in the short position, but it does have little buttons you push right here. And you can slide these legs down. Gotta kind of push the buttons and hold it at the same time. So you can slide them down till they lock. It's got three positions. And there's the tallest position right there. Do the same on this side. So it is made out of aluminum. Okay, there is all the way up. So next off, we want to put this on. And this is pretty nice because this is a place you can store some of your stuff under the bottom of the table. Cookware, or whatever you have. Should go like this right here. So under the underside right here, there is little D-rings that you can clip these into. Just like that. And we got to do this all the way around. So there's going to be 6 of these. Okay, so now for the last part. You unzip these little compartments right here. And these are pretty nice because you just roll them up. You can close them if you want to keep things off of your dishes or food, whatever you got in here. But it also has these little hard bottoms that goes in here, which makes it nice to have a stiff bottom. Same way on this side. Super easy to put in. Just like that. You can zip it up, leave them open either way, but it works pretty slick. So this is a nice little table. Put all your food down here, put your cooker on top. Super little setup, and nice and solid too. And lightweight. Easy to carry, lightweight, foldable. So now we take these back out to fold it up. So what I'm wondering is, can I fold it with this still on here and leave this in place? Fold my little locking tabs back here. Okay, so let's lower these legs so we can fold it up. Just do it the opposite way of putting them down. They're kind of stiff, probably because it's new. I think after a little bit of use, these will get easier to slide up and down inside there. They're just kind of grabbing because it's a real tight fit. So we need to break these all four down this way in order to fold the legs. You should be able to just turn it on its side. And as I said, I want to see if this will fold with this on here. We'll put our two panels in here. Just make it nice when I fold it back up not to have to clip that on every time. So we just lock these right here. These don't lock. This is just locking it in position when it's open. Got our handles here to carry it off. Very cool. So I really like this. Nice little camping table, nice and compact. And we'll take it in the RV. Like I said, we'll take it in the Gladiator when we tent camp. Be really handy. Okay, so I looked it up to see the dimensions of this. So as far as height, when it's all the way up, it's 27.6 inches tall. The width is 47.2 wide. And the depth is 18.5 inches. Okay, guys, so that is it for the Vevor Locker Outdoor Camping Kitchen. That's what they call it. It's a little folding table. It's nice because it locks it to position. You can raise it up and down, have it lower height or higher height. And it has them zippable compartments on the front where we can store stuff. Pretty cool. Made out of aluminum frame. This is some kind of a fiber composite on top with a nice stain-free top on here, looks like. So thank you all for watching. As I said, I will post a link below where you can check this out. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.